Friends, you already learned how to declare a variable in Python. So now what we need to do, let's use the variable to make a small application that can be a calculation of age. So you are already familiar how to declare a variable in Python. So what we will do now, we will enter a age and then we will print that age into forms of month. So what we need to do, age, we just need input. So enter your age. Now if I want to print this, let's say I want to print this age in terms of month. So what I need to do, you are comma age into 12 because we are converting it to month. So what will happen now? Let's see. Can you guess what will happen now? Enter your age like I am doing it. 30. What you are getting? 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. How much time? 12 times. So do you remember anything? We did it in past. Yes. So here what we did, we did multiplied by 10 and we got $10 sign. Now same thing happened here. Same thing happened here. As you multiply, enter your age, it's got 12 times here. Why this is? Remember what we did in past too? We were using dollar and a number with it. So it was in string format. So print string 10 times. Here also print string 12 times. So the reason for this is that whatever you input from the user is going to be an age, but in the form of a string. So basically this age has a format of a string. So basically what you have to do here is uh, you have to do convert a string to integer. At present this is in the form of a string. So what we will do now, we will retype it again. Let's see. And what we will do, we will convert this age in the form of integer. Now you need to convert it into integer to perform any mathematical operation. So when you convert it into a number, it will be applying it by multiply by 12 in numeric fashion. In a string, you can't multiply. So as we are going to run this and we are going to enter my see, this is how it can works. Okay, so you learned so far how to take input from user and how to convert integer value to how to convert a string value to integer value and why it's not we can't perform a string on string numerical operations. So that was the reason that on a string we can multiply it by 12 times the same value, but for numerical operation we have to convert it. So this is all about how to perform basic operations. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.